Welcome to Options Center. It is after the bell on Wednesday for 7/21. Here we go, guys. We're skirting that line. We'll just call this the Skirting the Line edition. That's it. So thanks for joining us here at Options 10. I'm just kidding. Sorry, guys. We did absolutely nothing for 3 days now. We saw price move directly to the options expected move, and now we are just skirting along, waiting for, I don't know, some sort of catalyst, perhaps. We'll see. So we'll just go over through this, the options expected move. We'll go over the, put some trend lines on, and then go to the 65-minute chart to see what happened for the day. Really nothing to look at, but then we'll go over and check out those trade ideas that we looked at earlier this morning. All right, but before we do that, join us on the Discord. It's a free Discord with the option guys. It has been great. It has been fun. We get to make fun of each other while we're staring at a screen that doesn't move. And no, there's a bunch of trade ideas, answering questions. People help each other out in there. Love it. So go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit the subscribe button. It's the Options Tender logo. And let's jump into it. This is the options expected move for the week. We are expected to move 55 points to the upside or 55 points to the downside. We ended up going directly on Monday to the upside by like 11 a.m., and that's it, folks. Just flatlined after that. So we're stuck on that options expected move. It looks, you know, if we take the options expected move out of the category, then we are simply bull flagging. We are consolidating after a huge move. We broke out from this bull flag and never looked back, and now we're in a holding pattern now. Let's go and put some trend lines on. Trend is our friend. So we had this blue channel that we were working through, finally broke out from it, flagging at this point. We are still on wave 3. Looks like we're on wave 1, 2, 3. Let's go over to the 65-minute chart on the ES so we can see how much we did not do today. All right, so we are in wave 3. Here's a closer look at it. We've just been moving sideways right along that options expected move. If you consider this a bull flag or a wave 4, on this wave 3, we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This is considered 4. Then we are looking for a little bit more upside. We do have some confluence right there at 4,100. That would be our next target. We're starting to curl up on the MACD, so I'm starting to lean towards that way. When you break off the expected move, usually price accelerates. So I would not doubt an explosive move to the upside or downside is going to happen soon. Hopefully this week, by the end of the week. And that's it. That's all I got for that. The RSI is just neutral, just sitting there. Let's go over to the daily on Pltr. We discussed Pltr this morning. Started to lift. Couldn't get any follow through. It's looking good. I just think it needs a market behind it. I like Pltr. We need to get over this 8MA. First of all, we're at support. Looks like we are at a 1, 2, and are starting a brand new 1 in down in wave 2 again. So if we do a retracement, a 61.8 retracement is not uncommon. So maybe we have a little bit further to go before we start on our wave 3 move. X, USS deal. All right, USS deal looking good, healthy. It looks like this might be some sort of inning diagonal. We'll have to check that out. I can't get quite a count of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That would be pretty absurd. But if we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this count might be over, or maybe this is considered our first wave 1 out of this brand new wave 5. So let's see how we hold on this support area here before we can see if X goes any further. CLF. Cleveland Glyphs. All right, we are ending in wave 4. Then we had a wave 1, 2, 3, and it looks like we're pulling back on a wave 4 right now. So if we take our retracement, bring that back, it's at the 38.2, and it also coincides with that 8 MA. So in the morning, we're going to look at actually getting into this name. This might be a good setup right here. We want to see a good reversal at this point from the 38.2 to finish off wave 5. All right, so that's it. Thanks for joining us here at Option Center. I hope everybody had a wonderful trading day. I know I did not. My SPY puts were demolished. From if you were a premium seller, then you did fantastic this week so far. All right, thanks for joining us. Good luck. We'll talk to you in the morning.